Free online Python course for beginners with certificate. Are you searching for a free online Python course for beginners with a certificate? Do you want to get job ready within a short period without spending no to little money? Are you looking for a long-term, high-paying career? If your answer is yes, then you are at the right place. Python is one of the most sought-after open-source high-level and general-purpose, object-oriented programming languages. It finds its application in various projects, such as artificial intelligence, web development, game development, data science, data analysis, web scraping, CAD, etc. It is the best language to learn as a beginner because of its easy-to-use syntax, readability, and portability. Who can join a free online Python course for beginners? Many people opt for coding as a full-time career. They can learn and upgrade their skills from anywhere due to the availability of various online courses nowadays. Free online Python course for beginners with certificate. Enrolling in a free online Python course is the best option to polish your skills for both beginners and experienced professionals. Today, how many degrees you have does not matter. You can create a steady flow of revenue if you possess practical skills in this field. Top 3 website for free online Python course for beginners with certificate. edX.org. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, you can enroll in their free online course to learn Python. Duration: 1 session to a few weeks level, beginner to advanced certificate, available, paid. Upgrad.com. Their free online Python courses for absolute beginners are perfect for starting your journey as a data scientist. Spare only 30 minutes each day for a few weeks to learn how to use Python for data science. Duration: 50 hours level, beginner certificate, available, free. Udemy.com. If you are starting your journey as a Python programmer, then free online Python courses by Udemy are the best choice. They offer many short-term free courses that will help you to learn the language in the shortest possible time. Duration: 1.5 to 12 hours level, beginner certificate, available, free. Free online course Python programming. What is the easiest way to learn Python? Python is not a complex language to learn. You might get confused at the beginning. Is Python being easy to learn? Python is the most sought-after coding language. As a beginner, you always doubt whether it is easy or challenging to learn Python. This general-purpose coding language is easy to understand and beginner-friendly. What are the steps to learn Python? The most crucial step before you start learning any programming language is to know what steps to follow to master it. Best way to learn free online Python course for beginners with certificate. Many free resources are available online to learn Python. You can enroll in them to make a career in the programming field or upgrade your existing knowledge. Top 5 website for the best free online course for Python. 1. Codecademy.com. 2. Google's Python course. 3. freecodecamp.org. 4. educative.io. 5. coursera.org.